Heading away for 2 weeks without coffee, my tech or a fridge doesn't seem like much of a holiday to me. Luckily, REDARC's REDNetwork know exactly how to get my rig powered up. From one product to a fully supplied solution, the REDNetwork will get your rig sorted for work or the weekend. Each workshop is independently owned and receives training directly from REDARC to deliver expert installations. Talk about service you can trust. Better yet, REDNetwork members are amongst the first to hear about the newest products, so you'll know you'll always get the latest and most advanced solutions available, like this one. Thanks, mate. Every REDARC product installed has an exclusive extended warranty too, only available through the REDNetwork. Now that's what I call peace of mind. And as a truly national network of auto electricians, there's always a REDNetwork member I can call in on for expert advice. So, whether you're in
Karratha,
Coffs Kalanga,
or Colac,
finding your local installer is as easy as heading online and chucking in your postcode. So if you're after a quality installation by a network you can trust, there's only one name to remember: REDNetwork. Your local REDARC experts.